Today is travel day from Los Angeles to Orlando, Florida. We are heading on our 9 days Florida vacation. Let's get all these luggages in the car and head to Los Angeles International Airport. Los Angeles International Airport is about 25 to 30 minutes drive from us. We left on a Sunday, and our flight is scheduled to take off at 1:34 p.m. Because it is a Sunday, we got to the airport pretty fast. We are taking a 5-hour non-stop flight with JetBlue. We checked in online, but we have to print our luggage tags for drop-off. Bags are checked in. TSA was a breeze if you have the TSA pre-check. Highly recommended, especially if you travel with kids. A quick tour of the inside of LAX. Nothing really exciting here in all honesty. I like to see where our boarding gate's first, so we know where to go when the plane starts to board people. Now let's go and find food for lunch. Their farmers market is like a food hall. There were different food stalls you can choose from depending on your craving. If you wanted to go for something healthy, they have lemonade, which focuses on California-sourced and seasonally driven food. We decided to go back to Farmer's Market and get us some burrito. I think we made a great choice, which should last us for the whole trip. We paid about $45, something to think about if you're thinking of grabbing food at the airport. We finished our food just in time to board the plane. We already have our assigned seat, so we're not too much in a hurry to get into the plane. We found the rest of the family who will be joining us in this trip. It's going to be fun.
You want to sit by the window, Eli? Where are you going?
To this one.
This spinner kept the baby busy and entertained for the most part of our trip. I highly recommend if you are looking for toys to keep the young ones happy. One of the things I made sure I have during this flight are educational games and shows for my older son. He did all the activities I have in his iPad for the most part of the plane ride until he was tired enough to get some sleep. After a few hours, we are nearly arriving Orlando International Airport. Kids are awake and full of energy after a good nap.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
We arrived at Orlando and into this beautiful empty airport. Our arrival is quite late and all the stores are closed for the day. Our luggage finally arrived and we got us some little helpers.
Do it.
Yeah, I can't do that.
We are checking in with Delta Marriott Hotel with 2 connecting rooms. We are all checked in. Let's go and check our rooms and get settled for the night. It's 12:46 a.m. here in Orlando and 9:46 p.m. in our local Los Angeles time. We are tired for sure and ready to call it a night. We have an early start in the morning for a character breakfast reservation. I hope we can all wake up in time to make it to meet some Disney character and eat yummy breakfast. Welcome to our room with 2 queen beds and a crib that we requested, and we're happy that they were able to provide. The space in this room is not so big, but we just have to try our best to move around freely.
You have one more bag outside. Oh, you got it?
I pulled it.
Have
to go to sleep.
See you tomorrow for our day 1 here in Orlando. We will be having a character breakfast with Minnie, Goofy, Donald, and Daisy. We are also heading to the alligator capital of the world, so we hope to see you then.